Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel didnt. Today is a unboxing video of this amazing kit that has been kindly sent to me by Let's Resin. So let's see what we got. So this is a UV resin starter kit. Let's open it. So upon opening the kit, I can see at first look that it's been packed with goodies. First of all, we get a silicone mixing cup and this lovely mold for making earrings, pendants, jewelry items. And here I got some necklace cords. So this is a tape that is used for the back of open bezels. And I got some pendants here, some bezels, lovely different shapes. And you can make a fair amount of necklaces with these. So these are the shapes that you get in your packet. And some of them are repeating. And in the kit we get this UV lamp. And a lovely colors of glitters. And these aura flakes, they absolutely make everything really magical. And we got some key rings attachments as well, so you can make key rings out of them, tweezers. And this is for earrings and some jump rings. And these are some dried flower. So this kit is all in all filled with so many goodies. I am keeping on picking up stuffs. And this is a bit golden holographic sheet that you can put in your pendants, earrings, create different designs. And lastly, this is the resin, the UV resin that I will be trying. And these are the do's and don'ts of using UV resin, in which molds you can use UV resin and in which molds you can't. So all the details are mentioned here, plus you have a manual kit for projects here as well, so you can make your own. So all in all, I really love this kit. It has all the items that you need for starting your UV resin journey. Also, there is a discount code in my description if you want to buy anything from Let's Resin shop. Their products are amazing. So for now, like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video. Take care. Bye bye.